I never easy road, yeah. But I jam me get the thanks and praise. I never. Me not stop do it anytime I touch street. Tell the youth them it not easy when you're feeling the pain and it's hard. Well, heap of youths them grew up with no father. That's why the streets them no hand and no hard. The government see the youths them and rob us. Now want me youth fit on a shatter dog. Put on the gun, low out the chopper dog. Grew up and pray for take care of your mother, dad. Get a youth, no free the backstabbers and no easy road, yeah. But a jam me give the thanks and praise. I'm here say 876Muzik and we think up.
You don't know this shit, the 876 representing the 876Muzik. This shit there, you see me? You know see what I want people? Yeah man. nTalekt there, you see me? Yes man.
Active, you know.
Yeah man, he want give you the official interview and idea, you see me? And I have a 3 square man in the park, you see? Yellow park. Yes. Right now, how the music I deal with you see me?
Yeah, my fam, blessings.
Highlight some of the stuff them, you see me?
Yeah.
Manners heights, you
Manners,
see me?
manners.
Cool.
Well, right now, we basically, when I do my kind of operate from my own studio now, me lately build up a studio.
Cool number.
But my producer mix and master my song them for me like after them finish still. You see me? So, him just master the first one and we currently do a video for it named Track Meet, so you can search for people, Track Meet, you see me? Yeah man, so just look out
on
for
the
that.
YouTube, you know, you see me, every other social media, Instagram, you see me?
Yeah just nTalekt.
Check
fully.
out on the YouTube there, you see me?
Yeah man, so you can look out for that because it a drop today. Yeah, you don't know. Yeah man.
So, what the eye that I want to ask, the eye, you see me?
Yeah.
Is how the eye get the name there, nTalekt.
Well, funny enough, you know, he's a selector where bring me in a street with him since I come back over film side of world.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Back in a Lawrence Tavern side, St. Mary's side, you know?
Yeah.
Me and him did currently we work on a project, it's a dancing song and thing and it did start take on the road, me do a couple stage show and thing, but you know, where loyalty concerned, not everybody loyal. Yeah. So me I do that interview here, me not really call no name, but we just a go give like the whole journey and basically what we do now and what we are planning to do. You see what I say? As we go on, yeah man. So basically I been doing music from a tender age, you know.
So from what age you do the music there? Wait that say?
Well,
last year remember?
Well, me I do music from me 14. You see what I say? Me I do music with High Clips Records, you see me? A youth when name Typical, you know. I don't have nothing against the youth there, but we did just have differences at one point and then, you know, I just saw it go, but we're good and we're a family because we do a song with J Capri, you know what I mean, we did figure big, it did figure big, but unfortunately things never really work the way how it will work and Jah decides to say, our time come, and she get the hit song the way, Wine and Catch with Charlie Blacks and it did a go and good and don't really know what happened, but them say she did drunk and the alcohol and she did smoke and thing and crash and dead a Barbican. You see what I say? Yes, so after that my confidence in the music did kind of drop, but the love feed couldn't leave. It's like it torment me if you always go back to it, you see me? Yeah man, and I also been working with Rose Summers from forever since from we start the music back in the days. Yeah man, you see me? Yeah man, so I always have to big up them producer there, but Ro are the man who teach me music. We take the time out to show me say, yo, that song then already, you know. You see me, you have to go hard, you know.
Yeah.
No care when some man I go say yo and jump up him, I go always tell me say, earworm, you need for just, you see me? And then after lately me notice him not really do that no more. Him start tell me say, yo, you can do your thing, you see me?
Yeah.
And me I say, yeah.
Say you're growing it.
Yeah. Yes. So it's an upcoming studio now, but it's in a work and a work in progress for me, you see me? See. And we have a lot.
So where you call your studio at the moment right now?
Well, so far it named Golden Records, you see me?
Golden Records.
Yeah man, 24K Golden, so, you hear that fully one whole.
So you hear what man say? From one level to the next level to the next level.
To the next level.
You see me?
Yeah.
So therefore, big up to the people them from them time there till now, you see me?
Yeah.
Regardless of, you know, circumstances.
Yeah, man.
In a real life.
Yeah, man, a heart of love, man, to all of my people, them, man. And I just want to say big up my daughter. You see what I say, Emily Nyla Hill, man. You get what I say?
Yeah, man, big up him daughter.
Because a whole heap of things go on in the earth where a whole heap of people don't really understand and know. But we're not too going at that, but I just want to say, give thanks and big up our family, them, you know, because them dead if you support in a times when me couldn't even dead them dead if you back up to you. So I say, and big up my daughter, heart of love, me do it for her, and me do it for the love I too. And we love people, and we also want to experience going out into the world and making people see our creativity and what we can bring across, you know. Yeah, man.
Love that.
Yeah, man, big up the wolf them out there in the world, you see me?
The next question I'd like to ask you still, you know.
Yeah.
The eye music powerful, you know.
Yeah.
You see me? What type of music you like? What type of music influence you?
Alright, well, honestly, I grew up I listen to man like Peter Tosh, Garnet Silk, Bob Marley, you know what I mean? Yeah, there's a lot, you see me Bounty Killer, Beanie Man. Kete jump, declare me sound. See that kete jump, ya hit a bun down road. And them song there, you see me song. We basically grew up Shabba ranks, you know. Shabba inspire me a lot. Me have a song named Real Original when I do a video for me. I plan to do it in a Shabba style. Also, the song is out on YouTube, but it's not officially released as yet. Yeah. So, planning to do a video and officially releasing that in the future as well. So, there's a lot going on.
YouTube channel.
Also, look out for Ticket. Me slam dunk it like the Lakers. You know what I mean? That's to come out to Chubby Dan Records. Big up yourself, Chubby Dan. I say big up the whole Stainless crew. You know what I mean? If you be Stainless, big up yourself. Just know so we're there, we're out the same way we do it. You know what I mean? Yeah, well, going back into the journey before we go more into like the genres and things, I'll get back to that. But like continuing the journey now, I've done work with after Eclipse and Row back in days now. Working with them attracted other people to me, so I was working with J-Con Music and Management.
Who that J-Con Music?
Yeah, J-Con Music and Management. They licensed my name as JJ Stainless back in the days. That's when I did the song with J Capri. It was in 2012, I think, if I'm not mistaken. You can check out that song. So my name has been changed 2 times since then because of various copyright reasons. You see? So so we do 2 songs with J-Con Music, one with J Capri and we did one with Steffi from Gaza. She's not in the island anymore, she's still doing music though. Steffi, big up yourself anyway there in the world. So that's also on YouTube called Ready for Party. That was on Zip 103. Big up CJ Wawa, big up CJ Chrome. You know what I mean? Big up Fire 105. Yeah, big up the whole of the station them. Sun City. Yeah man, you know, cause radio play a part even though you know social media and internet take over now. Whereas you know can just post something and get it out there.
True.
Yes, so but we still love the radio station cause people love listening to radio. So big up the whole of the Zip Jack them and the DJ them same. You see me? Alright, that's how it go. Yeah man.
So next question what I want to ask I.
Yeah.
Name a couple stage show that I perform on now. Cause the I tell me say I'm not so sure if it's a U-Tech vibe.
Yui.
Yeah, see me?
Yeah man, well
burn up that.
Well, my perform a Yui already with J-Con Music, Mark Lawrence, Kermit there, and like before going on the stage, me I tell you say, I'm nervous and thing, you see me? But the whole experience, everybody just listen to you and you perform, you know, but you know say you do what you do. But as a young talent and thing, cool, yeah, you still get a forward, and after that it just motivates you and you just go out there, you know, Papi in School, Jamboree, you know, Village, Showerman and Radil, big up Radil, big artists who are do it same way in the Africa anyway, they are now on tour, we know. Radil just salute, you see what I say? Them man they call we in fully, and them call we in on stage show and thing and say, come in and we go in and we give them a vibe, we mash up the place, the people them love it, you understand? After that now, it's like something that one in my personal life as in because me did kinda push myself after leaving J-Con Music and start doing stage show. Still a record with Irish Hill, give thanks to Row, can't tell you say Row charge me $1 for shoot lessons video. You see me, just do it out of love and respect for my talent, so love like a brother, you know it go. Yeah man, and after that, I basically moved from Irish Town, Papi inside, but you know, the love still there the same way. Big up all of the real people, them rate nTalekt same way in them place, you know what I mean? Just give thanks because we are do it same way. You see what I say? Yeah man, fully outside.
So, the last stage show me that see a perform was upper Unity, Angola Records.
Oh yes, that was One Vision stage show, you know.
Yeah man.
Yeah man, he's a young artist, so he might do him thing. Me see him and
Big up
creation
One Vision,
them.
you know?
See them a do them thing and
man
things.
and
So
creation.
we don't really feel no way to give them with strength, you know what I mean?
Yes, I
Cause from your real, you just real. That's what I say. Yeah man.
Yeah,
So
man.
I just saw it go. Basically, what happened now, where I wasn't doing music for almost a year, you know. That was because of what happened with the disagreement in the previous conversation where I was telling you how people wasn't loyal, because I have been signed 3 times, but people just don't have loyalty. It's like the greed for money mess up a lot of business that could be risen to a higher altitude. You see what I say? Because just show people now meds and I pray with them little peanut brains say here what go on. A them dollar yeah. No. You see me? When maybe you a pray a bigger picture and you say here what go on, make we do it. You see me? Any idea if me is a youth when I'm loyal. Me I work with a manager, you break bread with me. I'm there at your foot. You see what I say? But if me say you gonna make money off of me and everywhere, you make money off of my song and me there so and it's like nothing go on. You know, you give up your job for your dream and it's like everything did just make me get stressed out to the whole music thing, you see me? So, now I tell you no lie, we start the site work, start pray for try wash car, because we are ghetto youth, you know, you see me?
Yeah.
Some people laugh and them talk a bag of thing about you already.
You know,
by any means you have to make something happen because a survival in a life, you see what I say? And we's not a youth, we are going to try the wrong path, so we are going to do the right thing. You see what I say? Yeah. And we not push the badness none at all, but we just know say we can defend ourselves and it's a different level we are trying to elevate to and try to teach them youth the right way. You see what I say?
Yeah, man.
So like previously me been doing a few gun songs, me now go around the corner cause me been hurt and me been releasing some steam. Naturally not every artist life, but I know really my habitat and a whole heap of people been talking and saying them what I'm
you portray the art itself.
Okay. And portraying the art has a lot to do with like building the character as the artist and as the package that you're trying to go.
And the next thing you say, you have a youth, so therefore you have to prepare the mindset for the future to say, boy, oh, may I partake and give information. You see me?
Yes.
Me the artist, I sing upon CHO, but the information where you see me I deliver upon microphone, good information to me, we can teach people. You see me?
Most definitely.
Yes, me I show you the struggles where me I come from. Yes, in some part that me I like express my hardships them. You see me? Me have to express, so me have to defend myself. No matter where me go, I don't know God tell you to dig up yourself.
Yeah man, because as a youth I grew up we never really get it easy, you know? Yes, so we kinda learn things the rough way and we don't really get the strength we get from family and things. You know what I mean? But in idea we give thanks and me I say big up my mother because she never have it, so she have to just do what she have to do. You see me? So big up my grandmother, she gone now and she fight and really bring me up to the level where I'm there now still. But me and my mother now we have a good reasoning and a good understanding and I understand them things, you see me? So right now I just try to do it for my daughter whereas in she not really get the hurt there. But she get to understand earth instead of getting hurt.
Right.
If you see what I say.
Yeah, learn why and how.
Alright.
And when you can get hurt.
Alright. And knowing and understanding herself fully before she go out in the world the right way. So basically now it have me praying like for future with my music now to start talk to them youth the way I know to do it because up until this day my biggest song are lessons, you know.
Lessons.
And it's a song it's a song where me attack from my heart. You see me and a one drop. But I just because I can do dancehall music now. So people always push me and like give me rhythm and warm up on them beat and you know I an idea them respect your talent and you just do music.
True.
You see me? But more music for have more meaning now because like I now get no younger, you see what I say? I will be out here in the street and I grow. So things can only go up from here for nTalekt, you know what I mean? Because like for upcoming work, so we are gonna do it Irish Hill now. We are gonna have like a lot of one drops and crossovers, but mostly motivational songs. we are planning to go to. Cause guess what? Everybody has sing about chop the line. Everybody has sing about gun. Everybody has sing about yo. Them a corrupt the youth. Them mind,
man.
brother.
We need
That's
some
how we
more
see.
positiveness and some more good stories.
Yeah.
You see me?
Yeah.
Man can make story, you know.
Yeah.
But it not for be a gun story.
Yeah.
You see me? Oh, me kill my friend or my friend a shoot off of me.
Yeah.
You see me?
Yeah.
What about, you see me? Me meet a girl at the dance, you see me?
Yeah.
Yes, that's a girl tune, but at the same time, what about my mommy?
Yeah.
You see me?
Yeah.
What about hardship, yo? You see me, man, just done school, but man have to go in the street and do a site work. You see me?
Yeah, man.
I know, say, yo, yeah, next level, me I send back myself to school, you know. Next level, bomba, me have my certificate, me I go look a job, you know. They now give me no job, me I go farm, you know. Nah, give up. You see me, sir?
I'm farm already. That's what me I say.
Things,
Yeah,
you see
man. Me remember one time, me remember $90 already. Save me when me down in a life already. And coming from a state where me did I make money and I live alright. So me I say,
yes, no.
I'm get $90, I could have take that and buy weed and do everything where every other man on the road will sit down and beg and do. I'm take that $100 there, I'm buy one pack of pop chow seed. And when me plant that and come back, brother. That's why me I say when time that come at $7,300. And in the same week, me get a work and elevate back myself.
Yes,
that's what me I say. And just like, that's why me I tell you, say, if me can make it, me know say any ghetto youth can make it. So now as a father, me have to really just start briefly uplift and motivate the youth them. Because nowadays, me don't really care if my boss, me just want to know say when me dead, when me gone, because money and everything.
Yeah, man.
Me can still teach.
Yes.
And I don't really want to teach when it come on to pain and sorrow. I want to teach to wipe out them bitterness there right now. Because guess what? As a youth growing up and never have a father figure and thing, bitterness consume me. You see me? And we not gonna really have to go in it because all heap of artists would have really talk. But me I know the type we talk, you see me? Me are the type we just know say yo, me learn from mistakes and God.
Express yourself from them things and elevate upward.
Yeah, man. But as me I say, I been off the grid for a while because of that. I ripped up their contract and a lot of stuff happened, you know. And just because of one person, it caused a lot of good people to back off. You know what I mean? Because he was there and he's like their idol because him bring them in the whole selecting thing and you know. But you have selector when me rate. You know what I mean? Yeah. I know I'm saying they might have a call no names, but you have some selector when me rate. Like you say DJ Diddy anywhere in the world, you man, big up yourself, DJ Diddy here. I can tell you that. And you say Fensick, you say Baba, I have to big up them man there too. You know what I mean? Yeah man, because we're not going to really go in the details, but they didn't know. You see me? I just tell you, say yo, them youth there, if you left to them man there alone, I know say yo, nTalekt no there at Jamaica today. Based off of where it go on and I know say them question my decision, but I have an idea when them really look and know and time I go show. You know what I mean? But an idea, big up Team Extreme man, you see me? To the fullest and did them, you know what I mean? Yeah man, Fensick and Baba too, you see me? Yeah man, I just one person that there, we don't disclose no name because the world know, because we not pre man, you know what I mean? But I just for the future, God, I work and new upcoming music now about new things. You know what I mean?
More life, more prosperity.
Definitely. More things to keep teaching my daughter. So when she go up on her tablet now and search for daddy. You know?
Yes, man.
Yeah. All them thing them man.
See the growth.
Straight. Right, that's so. And that are the pre man. One nTalekt, you know?
Yeah man, we're there with the nTalekt, you see me? You don't know 876, big up yourself, you see me? When you subscribe to the channel, you see me? Like the video them, check out Fame channel, know how I go on.
nTalekt fully. You don't know anything though. Check out the song when name Lessons. They also have a next one when name Roots Yard. When me I say, you don't feel my pain and you don't wear these chains. So no, I know the days get slow. Walking down the lane, yeah. Sing na na, sing na na, sing na na, whoa, yes, yeah. Roots yard, yeah. Yeah man, just check it out man. Fully one nTalekt, you see what I say? First of all, me have to say big up Ross so much, cause a whole heap of people where say them real, them sell we out and You know what I mean? We learn. Thanks for teach me. People are teaching, you know, sound bright though. Cause I'm wise here. Me I say right now, big up my sister Kamika Myers. You don't know Endless Love. You see what me I say? Big up Ninta. You know what I mean? Big up Michelle. Big up Emily, Nyla, Illman. You see me? Me make you. You know what I mean? I saw it go same way. But we know all grudge in our heart same way. Big up our family them. Big up my baby mother same way. So me I say, Tash, big up yourself. You know what I mean? Nothing against you because same way my youth a grow nice same way. You see me, we just be out here do it for send her a college, you see it? Yeah man, big up my mother Janice Davidson, you know it go same way. Big up my sister on the foreign Samantha Hillman, big up yourself, you see it? Sharonda, big up yourself same way too. You know what I mean? So it go down. Chubby Dan, Phoebe Stainless, you know it thing go big up the whole Stainless crew man. You know if you're dark with dark one night time them. Yo, one wolf fully outside, you know it thing go. I saw it come and big up the whole eye wolf them on the Grand Hill, you know it go. You hear that? Fully outside G man, you know. One way man, I saw it thing go man. One nTalekt, you hear? Sealer. Breathe.
You don't know me, I big up the eye too, you know.
Fully.
Fully. I like how the one
outside.
You see me?
Yeah man.
Yes, man. I know say you are growth in a life, you see me?
Cause now that we are not dead to it, you know.
You see me?
Nah, well, no grudge. Right now, I know say the liquor they was spill for my grandfather. Big up my grandfather, you hear? Cause when daddy did a foreign, I never have a mama at home. You hear them man, they send me to school, I remember learn to read and write and check money. You hear that? So before you pray for check, so you can go around me check on the thinking first. You see me, I learn how to make money for yourself. That I own the motivation.
Yeah, man.
Straight
motivation, the man I send you from.
And remember, you know, to the youth, them respect the elder them here.
Respect the elder.
Don't listen to what I go on now. Respect carry far in the world. Hear me I tell you. Because I say, the way dance all of the place right now, all the youth them want no artists want act like so them are artists, and also man want no chopper pretend to be chopper. You see man we used to want draw in a book want draw, come off of them building. So we need to start give the youth them some good song as artists. Yeah man. I mean I say big up Intense, you know. Anyway I'm there too, I like the Intense, you know. Also for that area hold the clutch and gear up. Money never change me and my dog them not change up. Big tune. You know what I mean? Yeah man, just go and do it man. One law boss, big up yourself you don't know. Just go and give them some positive song and that we want to. Some positive song to you see me cause you got hard me G. Lose enough things and can't get it back to here. 876Muzik, boom. Big up Massacre One Genocide to you see what me I say. Big up Shady from Down Sound Records and Scatterburrell to you know what I mean? You know what thing come down. Big up them people there. I saw you think come on. One way outside. Tyrical on the Barbican. There's a lot. Big up himself. Tyrical have a new song now where it a go out with the vibes now where the and thing where the dogs send meet and see. Well the lion cause them man they are fully far right. You hear? Yeah man. Outside. The dog have a thing where I say pour up them skin. You know what I mean? Yeah. So let's check out that too, but you don't know a thing come down. We're there up on the 876Muzik, so go and chill. You know what I mean? One nTalekt man outside. You know, big up the wolf them out there in our work. Outside with them man.
Outside, you see me? Yeah man, I do the dirt.
Big up the whole 876Muzik, you know. Let me tell you this, 876 we are no ticks. Me not trust the government, no one no politics. No for them I said them read them out full up of tricks. But me still I do me thing, me chain I left them astonished. Girl take it out, that's why she love the astonic. Me just boast about freestyle on your channel. In the streets, girl them want me to pull up on them panel. I say she love the vibes of in the room, not caramel. Still I do me think Karen I say she love me. Say me style them frisky. The life for me live more time it risky. Just I go and do it for the biscuit. Out in the streets pan delicious. Me never par with fishes. Want a wife, now go par with bitches. Out in the streets give me the money, want the riches. And me want the money now. Me now give up. So me got the feet. On the street, man a gangster no accept defeat dog. 876Muzik bring the heat dog. Bad song them a put on repeat. One nTalekt, you know how we did sing the song we say Bada Bunks, me could do the Bada Bunks. Wicked is a road, could be another bunks. 876Muzik, boom. Yes, I.
My patient here wait. The one my record is like a rain and never sweat. I saw me clean and set. The more my face are dead. So me lace a perfect crap and step in the street. Me never have no regret, me no fret. Man I achieve right now, so we start for the thing.
Yeah, man.
Fully.
Yes,
Yes, aye.
You have me under
We
bandit
are the
like
charge
one
in the
time.
streets.
Yeah, that. No, you know.
Right
No, you know,
now.
till clock stop work and now a new time you hear.
Fully outside. Yes,
Yeah,
man.
man, know I think come here, I could give them a 876 classic for 876 music, you know.
You know, I be the quick for there represent for 876 music. You know what active the
nTalekt.
secret. You don't know the browning attractive. No, no, you know.
Yeah, man.
Alright, hear the style come true. Come true, baby, I can't pass. Give me more grace, no, me need grass. Too much innocent life a loss and it just this. Them want to pay for the boss or just justice. You tell them say you want money, them say fuck this. Rather lift a gun before the file and cutlass. Too much brother file dog, fuck this. And them a lock up innocent youth for fuckery. Just true, we coming from the ghetto slums, the trenches and godless. And it's all just for money.
Rubbing now. Yo, watch out, man. I achieve right now, so we start for the things that we want for the long time. 876 music. I don't know MB the quick for them know, you know. One couple. Come.
Skladam, you know, one nTalekt, no, outside with it.
Well, it's a different world we live in. The whole of we did start out as a beginner. But me know me have to stay up on the rocky road. Even though the place full like a Virginia. Jammy know say you are going carry me heavy load. Can't put me just in the streets where me live in. People cool like ice, them we kill you. They're not nice, them wicked yo. You know me want these riches. Enough plate there, I fi wash these dishes. Heart a pain, me stay far from bridges. Can't sell out when me see no friends switching. And me not stop do it, just like a athlete. Dep on the road every day for me the track meet. Don't violate me, you know say the clock cheap. And me not stop do it, anytime we touch street. See them a preach, you know we not give up. We are going whole faith, we are going live up. Yo, bro, summers me got big up. Anyway you see we nice street, daddy. Can't sell out, you know me want these riches. No plate there, I fi wash these dishes. Heart a pain, me stay far from bridges. Can't sell out when me see no friends switching. And we not stop do it, just like a athlete. Dep on the road every day to meet the track meet. No violate me, you know say the clock cheap. Me not stop do it anytime me touch street. Tell the youth them, it not easy when you're feeling the pain and it's hard. Well, if I youths them grew up with no father. That's why the streets them no hand and no hard. The government see the youths them and rob us. Now want me youth fit on a shatter dog. Put on the color of the chapter dog. Grew up and pray for take care of your mother dad. Get a youth no free the backstabbers are no easy road, yeah. But a Jammy give the thanks and praise.
I'm here say 876 music, you know what you think of. The girl them before we cut down. Me say you bring down wall with the love you give me. Pretty girl come wind up your body for me. Your body good, your body right, what a pretty trini. To all your atta you me want bring in a the village. To make you climb when you ride. 876 music, boom. Fully outside, you hear that? One wolf, active and
We are gonna live up, yo. Bro, summers make God big up. Anyway, you see we nice street, daddy. Can't sell out, you know me want these riches. No play